So, traders, as you guys have already saw the thumbnail, already saw the topic, and you understand that every Wednesday we drop midweek forex update. I just won't say much, but I might just get straight to it. But before we start the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, hit that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and so far most importantly, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. So as you guys have already saw the thumbnail, I repeat, all I can just do right now is just share to you guys possible directions based on our midweek update, just to update you guys, but not only update you guys, to also educate you guys into what the week might be expected to move within the 2 days that it's left off, which will be Thursday and Friday. So starting off on the NAS, you guys can clearly tell that Nasdaq, we didn't have an anticipation on our weekly trading outlook. Go check it out if you haven't. That we have two anticipations: a fill to break to look for that reversal, or a break below to look for those continuations. So as you can clearly see, that market open on Monday, price had a spike, boom, to the upside. So opening to the upside gave us an indication that there's what a continuation to the upside of what of an uptrend within this week. But we had marked out this very same zone based on price having multiple reactions from this reaction, and this reactions, giving us this all-time high. So from this break above and this retest above, you can clearly see that price is now looking forward for those continuations to the upside. So on the NAS, I just won't say much, but all we can now be looking forward into is to see what is price gonna do. Are we gonna come back to our are we gonna get a reaction within our all-time high, a break above to look for those continuations, or a fill to break to look for those intraday reversals? Because if I have to be clear with you guys, where we have anticipated reactions from, price has already reacted from those very same POIs, right? But I'm gonna leave it the way I leave it. If price will continue bullish, then we're gonna wait and see what is price gonna do within our all-time high resistance. So we're gonna get a break above, or we're gonna get a fill to break. That's what we're gonna be anticipating. Second pair, which is gold. So gold, you can clearly see it, guys, that all we have anticipated on our previous video, you can check it out. We have an anticipation that price is highs and price is lows. So we're either looking forward for break below to look for those lows, or a break above to look for those highs. And you guys can clearly see that price gave us a word. Price gave us a break above for a zone, and price is looking for those continuations to the upside. So as you guys are all aware, like what I always say, from every push to the upside, price needs to give us a pullback, an exhaustion phase, or a range before we can look for those continuations to the upside. So understanding that price is this push, what we're going to be looking for is for an exhaustion phase, a pullback, or a range before we can look for those continuations to the upside. And that's what we're going to be looking forward into, and that's what we're going to be putting our money to work within this trading week. But without further ado, last but not least, we have Usdcad. And on Usdcad, you guys can clearly see that we didn't have a trade idea based on the nature that price at this push and price at this exhaustion phase, and we didn't have a clear picture into what price might be looking forward into doing. But understanding that from this push and this exhaustion, price at a continuation push, now we're in an exhaustion, there's a high possibility of a continuation push based on the very same example that I gave you guys. Price at this push and this exhaustion phase, right? So from this exhaustion phase, you guys can clearly understand the nature that price gave us a continuation. So from this continuation, price is now in an exhaustion. From this exhaustion, we anticipate possible continuations to the upside. But if price will give us a break below, then that's what we might look forward into doing, to look for those moves to the downside. But I repeat, Usdcad will be very simple. Price is in a higher high, higher low behavior, and price is in a bullish behavior. Continuations to the upside will clearly mean that price will give us a break above our higher high in anticipation of possible new higher highs. But a break below our higher low will give us an anticipation of a possible reversal to the downside, and that's what we're going to be looking forward into doing, and that's what we're going to be looking forward into putting our money to work into. But without further ado, that's all I'm going to be sharing to you guys, and that's all I'll be updating you guys with. If you still need assistance based on our 2-day in-person mentorship course, so if you need a legit and a concrete mentorship session and a mentorship course, then I guess you came to the right place. I left my number, my Telegram link, my Instagram link, or any source of communication tool that we both have, so you can text me, DM me, or give me a call, so I can come to you for 2 days, give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need, so you can have a wonderful trading journey. But without further ado, that's our boy Helen, King COT, and I'm gonna get you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.